What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a walk around of a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. This is the first of many videos we're going to post that go over all the little things that we've done to our Jeeps. Today's the 01 Wrangler. We have a 15 JKU as well. So we'll start with the TJ and all the things we've done to it. Oh, and don't mind the rain. It's been really rainy this year for some reason. So up front, let's see what we have. We have this Tough Stuff bumper. It's pretty aggressive, sticks out quite a bit. Made out of steel with these eBay special red shackles and the Amazon special red spotlights. All wired, kind of stealthy, wired crimped, connected to the original fog light wiring, so it's controlled with the fog light switches. We have some of these LED headlights with blacked out bezels and also blacked out turn signals over there, all done in the garage. Turned out really nicely. Next we have on the hood, we have a high lift jack mounted with the hood brackets. It doesn't make as much noise as I thought it would. It doesn't cause any issues. It was super helpful when I had it flat. Next up we have the 52-inch light bar with the brackets going all the way down. So this one's wired separately, which I'll show you later when we get to the interior. So along the side here, the Smitty built soft top. As far as lift, what I did in the garage was I found a 15 JK Rubicon. I got the shocks and the springs from there, modified it to fit, and gave it some kind of lift with that. I'm not really sure how high, but it's about 3 inches or so, with a 1.25-inch body lift that I also did. As far as tires over here, we have some 35 by 12.5 by 15 on some American Racing aluminum wheels. Pretty happy with them. It's a pretty light combo. These ones are the MTR by Goodyear Wrangler. Moving along the back here, we have this steel rear bumper tire carrier combo with a full-size spare tire, shovel up there. Again, the shackles. Down here on the tire carrier, I have wired in a really thin light bar, so like a reverse bar. So this opens up like that, and I mounted a custom third brake light, all done at home. Happy to show how that works. In the trunk, let's see. So in the trunk we have many of the trail and just general essentials. Happy to walk through these in a separate video. It looks like a mess right now, but also the factory isolator for the trunk, and also this third brake light, tow hitch light, just for the added light in the back. Recently put in the MagnaFlow glass pack exhaust. Go ahead and fire it up, hon. I think it sounds pretty throaty. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. She's gonna go ahead and hit the brakes. Let's see what it looks like. Go ahead, give it a hit. Let go, hit it again. Looks pretty cool, I think. Pretty effective, pretty bright. Alright, thanks. So coming around, if you notice, the side has a side step and the other side does not. So it's easier for people to get in the vehicle inside. This is what the inside looks, pretty standard Sahara edition, with the bench rear. Have like a Harbor Freight tool set back there, a couple of the essentials like sunscreen, umbrella, things like that over there. In the center console here, replaced with a pyramid subwoofer with the original amp. Also replaced all of these speakers in the vehicle, changed these to rounds, made them size larger, did the same over here, as well as changed the head unit. Tried to keep it pretty under budget. It's probably all costs under $100 or so, and I'm happy to show how that's done. Just leave a comment below if you're interested. Also wired the custom the switch panel here with the always on green lights to kind of match the army green of the Jeep. Yeah, let me put the key in and show you what it looks like. So they all just turn on. Also, it's kind of tough to see, but have some green footwell lighting as well on both sides, and lights up here that kind of light up the inside of the vehicle at night. Of course, we have the wireless phone charger that catches the phone as you press it down. Nice addition to any vehicle. The handrails over here on either side to get in and out of the vehicle more easily. Other than that, pretty standard rig. This one has over 250,000 miles on it. Still runs like a top. Everything's perfect with it. Couldn't be happier. AC, everything like that. So if there's anything in this video that you saw and you'd like me to post on how to get done, just let me know in the comments below. Shoot this video a nice like, thumbs up, give us some motivation to post more. And until next